Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to receive Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. Now with your Coinbase Wallet opened up, how can you receive some Bitcoin tokens? It's pretty easy to do this. All you need to do is simply, where we have the buy icon, you could easily buy your cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin. When you click on buy, and you simply search for the Bitcoin. As you can see here, it says Bitcoin. So you're going to be using a third-party element called Alchemy Pay. So if you click on continue to payment, you'll be met with the screen that says you're going to be redirected to Alchemy Pay. Now, Alchemy Pay is a third-party provider that provides you with some cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and many more tokens, all in exchange for your local currency being the dollar. So now you could easily make use of your dollar or whatever your local currency is to swap your local currency into cryptocurrency, which is the Bitcoin. And when you click on continue, you'll be taken to the official site where you enter your payment details such as your credit card info and your bank address or your house address, and you'd receive your Bitcoin. Now another option of getting yourself some Bitcoin tokens is when you click on the receive icon. Once you've selected the receive, where we have receive crypto, you could easily use the QR code. That once you click on the QR code, you could easily receive your SegWit Bitcoin or the legacy Bitcoin, all of which exist on different networks but perform the same purpose of holding your Bitcoin tokens in this wallet. So now all you need to do is either scan the QR code or copy your wallet address and you receive your tokens. So guys, that's how it's easily done. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.